Are you worried about enhancing your bust naturally? Let's get into some super simple tips. 1. First up, posture. Standing tall doesn't just make you look confident. It also enhances your bust line. Shoulders back, chest out, easy, right? 1. Next, let's talk about exercises. Push-ups and chest presses are your new best friends. They help tone the muscles underneath your breasts, giving them a natural lift. Remember, consistency is key. 1. Now on to what you eat. Foods rich in estrogen-like properties such as flax seeds and soy can help. Adding these to your diet might make a small but noticeable difference. 1. Don't forget about massages. Gentle, circular motions with natural oils can stimulate blood flow and improve elasticity. Plus, it's super relaxing. 1. Lastly, wear the right bra. A well-fitted bra can do wonders for your appearance and comfort. Get measured and invest in good quality. So there you have it. Simple, natural tips to boost your bust. Try them out and feel fabulous.